Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor channel. Here at our channel we are looking for interesting buy opportunities for US-based stocks. Today we will have a look at Macy's Incorporated, traded on New York Stock Exchange. So Macy Incorporated is actually showing this week very interesting chart combination which might be indicating the reversal. So it's very bullish situation showing either temporarily or serious reverse of the trend. To understand what we can expect here, what could be interesting buying and selling opportunities, let's first have a look at general trend and to understand what's going on here. So actually the previous upwards trend was observed between 19th of May and 8th of June. So this is the trend. And it ended actually at 8th of June with a classical candle, bearish candle starting from the jump and then going directly down. And it also coincided with the being on overbought area in RSI. So this was actually classical end of the trend. Similarly, divergence convergence index was also showing the classical end of the trend behavior. So it was like double wave up, maximum of the wave, and then it's going down. And then we saw till the mid of June, actually we saw the negative trend. Then around mid of June, we saw like a moving average 20, which is a green line here, worked as a temporary support. So the stock was volatile here. Then it made small jump, the black candle, kind of temporarily evening star type of candle at June 15. And then we actually saw the continuation of the trend down until moving average 50. Just for information, we have here three different colored lines being moving averages, red, blue, and green, moving averages to 250 and 20 correspondingly. Here on the left you see the depiction of those, so we can understand and navigate through the video where we mentioned them. So what we have last three trading sessions. So last three trading sessions, we see that the price was volatiling around moving average 50 that worked here as a support. Also, you can see kind of another trend being built up, although there seems like to be double confirmed. So this trend, which started around 14th of May, then was kind of confirmed. I say kind because not much time passed, only 1 week. And it was still kind of volatile here at around 25th of May. And then it was confirmed actually yesterday and trading session before yesterday. It was red, white, and then another white hammer with a kind of almost hammer with the low downwards shadow, meaning like it's a pressure up being built actually here. So for tomorrow, expectation is really like it will go high. If you bought already, it's nice. If didn't, maybe at the opening, if we open without a big jump, it would be interesting to buy in this area of the green circle. Also, if you will look at MACD here, we can also see that after having going to negative area, it made a double wave, and now double wave is about to end. So it's really piercing up. And this also creates additional positive upwards pressure here and good expectation. If we look at RSI currently, we see it's still in the middle, so it's not really bullish or bearish, but it's still, kind of allowing small go up. So here, for short term, like this week, we can say it's expected to go up. The question is until which levels, and this is interesting because the very first resist here will be this line. It will be quite strong resist actually. So most probably we will have some volatility on this level and then resist one. So and then if we have some volatility at resist one level, depending on chart situation, maybe also some catalyst will come. It still might go higher, but probably it will show the downtrends, some return of the trend, because then we can observe formation of a negative trend. Maybe it will be like that. But it's still a questionable. So we need to see the action on this R1 line. Then we will definitely know what will happen. But we can expect the upwards movement until the R1 line. Then most probably there will be big volatility with some downtrend. At least it will touch again this green line. Let's call it trend 1. If this one is pierced, if the green line will be pierced down, then it will also open interesting buy opportunities, because if the RSI will want really again go downwards and make similar situation like here, although this was a COVID situation, but just as an example, and then return upwards, it would mean that we will, in stock price, we will have a piercing of this green trend 1, and then it will open also additional buying opportunities for us. So the first buying opportunity will be actually then at this level, and then the second box will be at that level. So if it goes, it's a little bit midterm evaluation. It will take maybe 2-3 weeks before we go that level. Those situations would be box 1 and 2 to buy. Then we would observe some reversal, but now it's difficult to say until which levels we will go, because this would be 3-4 weeks at least to wait. And for this week, it's the play will be between T1 line and R1, so there will be a lot of volatility here and even possible some piercing. And this another possible line formation like R2 line, this one, this diagonal downwards, might work as additional downtrend. We will see, because in June 8 we had a lot of volume traded here, if you look, and now we're still in the low volume, so it will show us, next days will show us how we go with volumes. So if volume will be again picking up, it might be that R2 will work. If not, we can even pierce it further. So that's it for Macy Incorporated for now. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.